What is I? To grasp the concept of I, we first have to look at a very interesting equation. X squared plus 1 equals 0. I know it's broad, but stick with me here. If we try to solve this equation, we would get x equals square root of -1. Now what? There is no such number that we can multiply together to make -1. Here is where I comes in. Since no actual real number can fit into this equation for x, we can denote I as the answer to the square root of -1. Likewise, I squared would be -1. Hold up. What about I cubed? Well, for that we can either solve it mathematically, or just look at the cycle for every fourth power. Actually, this decent formula can be used to find large powers of I.
This is stupid.
You're Shut up, Peter. Here, we just created a new set of numbers called the imaginary numbers. This set of numbers includes I, 3i, 4i, and basically every real number multiplied by I. Imaginary numbers can be combined with real numbers to create a set called complex numbers, and they're everywhere, especially in quadratic equations. Complex numbers work the same as any real number. You can add them, subtract them, multiply them, and divide them. What imaginary numbers also can do is be the roots to functions whose domain restricts to non-negative numbers, such as the natural logarithm. If you take the natural log of -1, you will get pi I. Now this can actually be derived from Euler's formula, which I'm not going to talk about now because it's off topic. Here's an interesting fact. Take I to the power of I and see what you get. A real number. Mind blown. I mean, when I first saw this, it didn't seem right to me, but it's true. Thanks, math.